بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حميم تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم إن في السماوات والأرض لآيات للمؤمنين وفي خلقكم وما يبث من دابة آيات لقوم يوقنون واختلاف الليل والنهار وما أنزل الله من السماء من رزق فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وتصريف الرياح آيات لقوم يعقلون.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ha-Mim. The revelation of the book, this Quran, is from Allah, the Almighty, the All-Wise. Surely in the heavens and the earth are signs for the believers. And your creation, and what He has scattered throughout the earth of living creatures, are signs for people who have faith with certainty. So in the alternation of night and day, and the provision that Allah sends down from the sky, and revives with it the earth after its death, and in the turning about of the winds, are signs for a people who understand.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق فبأي حديث بعد الله وآياته يؤمنون ويل لكل أفاك أثيم يسمع آيات الله تتلى عليه ثم يصر مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها فبشره بعذاب أليم.
These are the proofs and evidences of Allah, which we recite to you, O Muhammad, with truth. Then in which way after Allah and His signs will they believe? Woe to every sinful liar, who hears the verses of Allah being recited to him, yet persists with pride as if he did not hear them. So announce to him a painful torment.
وَإِذَا عَلِمَ مِنْ آيَاتِنَا شَيْئًا اتَّخَذَهَا هُزُوًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ مِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ جَهَنَّمُ وَلَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُمْ مَا كَسَبُوا شَيْئًا وَلَا مَا اتَّخَذُوا مِنْ دُونِ اللَّهِ أَوْلِيَاءَ وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ.
And when he learns something of our verses in this Quran, he makes a jest of them. For such there will be a humiliating torment. In front of them there is hell, and that which they have earned will be of no profit to them, nor those whom they have taken as protectors besides Allah, and theirs will be a great torment.
هذا هدى والذين كفروا بآيات ربهم لهم عذاب من رجز أليم. الله الذي سخر لكم البحر لتجري الفلك فيه بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
This Quran is a guidance. And those who disbelieve in the proofs, signs, and revelations of their Lord, for them there is a painful torment and a severe punishment. Allah is He who has subjected to you the sea, that ships may sail by His command, and that you may seek of His bounty, and that you may be thankful. And has subjected to you all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth. It is all as a favor and kindness from Him. Surely in it are signs for a people who think deeply.
قل للذين آمنوا يغفروا للذين لا يرجون أيام الله ليجزي قوما بما كانوا يكسبون من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Say, O Muhammad, to the believers, to forgive those who harm them, and do not hope for the days of Allah and His recompense, that He may recompense people according to what they have earned. Whoever does a good deed, it is for himself, and whoever does evil, it is against himself. Then to your Lord you will be made to return.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحُكْمَ وَالنُّبُوَّةَ وَرَزَقْنَاهُم مِّنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى الْعَالَمِينَ وَآتَيْنَاهُم بَيِّنَاتٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْرِ فَمَا اخْتَلَفُوا إِلَّا مِن بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَهُمُ الْعِلْمُ بَغْيًا بَيْنَهُمْ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ يَقْضِي بَيْنَهُمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فِيمَا كَانُوا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ.
And indeed, we gave the children of Israel the Scripture, and the understanding of the Scripture and its laws and prophethood, and provided them with good things, and preferred them above the mankind and jinn of their time, and gave them clear proofs in matters. And they did not differ, until after the knowledge came to them, through envy among themselves. Surely your Lord will judge between them on the day of resurrection, about that which they used to differ on.
ثم جعلناك على شريعة من الأمر فاتبعها ولا تتبع أهواء الذين لا يعلمون إنهم لن يغنوا عنك من الله شيئا وإن الظالمين بعضهم أولياء بعض والله ولي المتقين.
Then we have put you, O Muhammad, on a plain way of our commandment. So follow it, and do not follow the desires of those who do not know. They cannot avail you against Allah if He wants to punish you. Surely the polytheists and wrongdoers are protectors and helpers to one another, but Allah is the protector and helper of the pious.
هذا بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لقوم يوقنون أم حسب الذين اجترحوا السيئات أن نجعلهم كالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سواء محياهم ومماتهم ساء ما يحكمون.
This Quran contains clear insight and evidence for mankind, and a guidance and a mercy for people who have faith with certainty. Or do those who earn evil deeds think that we shall hold them equal with those who believe in the oneness of Allah and do righteous good deeds in their present life and after their death? Wrong is the judgment they make.
وَخَلَقَ اللَّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ بِالْحَقِّ وَلِتُجْزَى كُلُّ نَفْسٍ بِمَا كَسَبَتْ وَهُمْ لَا يُظْلَمُونَ أَفَرَأَيْتَ مَنِ اتَّخَذَ إِلَٰهَهُ هَوَاهُ وَأَضَلَّهُ اللَّهُ عَلَى عِلْمٍ وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون.
And Allah has created the heavens and the earth with truth, in order that each person may be recompensed for what he has earned, and they will not be wronged. Have you seen him who takes his own lust and vain desires as his God, and Allah, knowing him as such, leaves him astray, and seals his hearing and his heart, and puts a cover on his sight? Who then will guide him after Allah? Will you not then remember?
وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر وما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يظنون وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات ما كان حجتهم إلا أن قالوا ائتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, there is nothing but the life of this world. We die and we live, and nothing destroys us except time. But they have no knowledge of it. They only conjecture. And when our clear verses are recited to them, their argument is no more than to say, bring back our dead fathers if you are truthful.
قل الله يحييكم ثم يميتكم ثم يجمعكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Say to them, Allah gives you life and then causes you to die. Then He will assemble you on the day of resurrection, about which there is no doubt. But most of mankind does not know.
ولله ملك السماوات والأرض ويوم تقوم الساعة يومئذ يخسر المبطلون وترى كل أمة جاثية كل أمة تدعى إلى كتابها اليوم تجزون ما كنتم تعملون هذا كتابنا ينطق عليكم بالحق إنا كنا نستنسخ ما كنتم تعملون.
And to Allah belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. And on the day that the hour will be established, the followers of falsehood shall lose everything. And you will see each nation humbled to their knees, kneeling. Each nation will be called to its record of deeds. On this day, you will be recompensed for what you used to do. This, our record, speaks the truth about you. Surely we were recording what you used to do.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فيدخلهم ربهم في رحمته ذلك هو الفوز المبين وأما الذين كفروا أفلم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فاستكبرتم وكنتم قوما مجرمين وإذا قيل إن وعد الله حق والساعة لا ريب فيها قلتم ما ندري ما الساعة إن نظن إلا ظنا وما نحن بمستيقنين وبدا لهم سيئات ما عملوا وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
Then, as for those who believed in the oneness of Allah and did righteous good deeds, their Lord will admit them to His mercy. That will be the evident success. But as for those who disbelieved, it will be said to them, were our verses not recited to you? But you were proud, and you were a people who were polytheists, disbelievers and sinners. And when it was said, surely Allah's promise is the truth, and there is no doubt about the coming of the hour, you said, we do not know about the hour. We do not think it to be anything but conjecture, and we have no firm convincing belief in it. And the evil of what they did will appear to them, and they will be completely encircled by that which they used to mock.
وقيل اليوم ننساكم كما نسيتم لقاء يومكم هذا ومأواكم النار وما لكم من ناصرين ذلكم بأنكم اتخذتم آيات الله هزوا وغرتكم الحياة الدنيا فاليوم لا يخرجون منها ولا هم يستعتبون.
And it will be said, this day we will forget you, just as you forgot the meeting of this day of yours, and your abode is the fire, and there is none to help you. This because you took the revelations of Allah as a mockery, and the life of the world deceived you. So this day they shall not be taken out from hell, nor shall they be returned to the worldly life.
فَلِلَّهِ الْحَمْدُ رَبِّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَرَبِّ الْأَرْضِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ وَلَهُ الْكِبْرِيَاءُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
So all praises and thanks are to Allah, the Lord of the heavens and the Lord of the earth, and the Lord of mankind, jinn, and all that exists. And to Him belongs the supremacy in the heavens and the earth. And He is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
العظيم.